Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna dive deep into our Math Pleasure 2, SAT Math Pleasure 2. So if you want my club link, you can see in either one of the videos, I think lecture 9 or 10 or 11 in the AP Calculus BC playlist. It will be in any one of those. So we mutually help ourselves, and we also have teachers and volunteers to help us get into the top US universities. So let's just dive right in. So first of all, percentage. What is percentage? Okay, per means percent in 100. Okay, percent means in 100. So percentage equals part by whole into 100. Okay, so for example, they give you it's 25%, and they give you part is 0.5 wholes x, we don't know what is the whole, into 100. Okay, so you transpose this, becomes multiplication. 25x equals 0, so this is 0.5 into 100, right? So this is 50, so this is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. So I guess these questions must be easy, I hope, for you guys and for me. And we have something called ratios. Okay, ratios. What are those? So ratio is represented something like this: 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to, okay. And if you get 2 is to 4, you simplify it to 1 is to 2. That is, you divide both by 2. So that must be the most simplified form. 1 is to 2. So it's something like, okay, let me do a question for you. So cost of 10 apples equals, let's say rupees 300, or okay, in dollars, let's say $10, okay? And cost of one orange, let's say it's $50, also be so cheap, or also at least $30, okay? One orange equals $2.5, okay? Now how to find the ratio of cost of apples and orange? So answer. So the ratio is something like this. So first of all, you have to convert this to 10 oranges, right? So that you will get the cost for 10 oranges. So 10 oranges equals dollar, or first of all we'll multiply 2.5 into 10 equals $25. Okay, so I guess I'm writing the dollar symbol correct. Is it only one line or two lines? Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So it's like, I can also write like this, I guess. I don't know. Maybe like this. Let me just put this. So the ratio of cost of apple and orange is equal to 30 is to 25, which is equal to, so you divide by 5 on both sides, 6 is to 5. So you get the simplest form, okay? So that's the point. You can also do one thing. You can make one apple by dividing the cost by 10. So that's 3 is to 2.5. Now you gotta do the simplest form. The simple form must not have decimals or common, that is a factor other than 1. So you just multiply it by 2, 6 is to 5. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.